So you've logged into RV Life Trip Wizard and you need a few tips or tricks to help you along the way. Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I will share a few tips and tricks to help enrich your RV Life Trip Wizard experience. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV-safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. The first tip we're going to be discussing is full harvest host integration in Trip Wizard. After you open your trip or you build a new trip, if you click the right side of the screen where it says research, you will see points of interest. There is an icon that says harvest host connect account. When you push this, it will bring you to a prompt to connect your account. If you have memberships such as Good Sam, KOA, Thousand Trails, or even Passport America, Trip Wizard gives you the ability to find these locations based on the membership. When you open up the research panel and under the Parks tab, you will find brands, clubs, and memberships. Now, the great thing about Trip Wizard is when you zoom in, it'll show you how many campgrounds or parks feature that membership. And as you move the map around, you can see the numbers changing, showing you what all is in the area that you are searching. I find just by moving the map and seeing what memberships are available in that area can be very helpful. Push the Show Parks list in the upper right-hand corner, and it will show you all the parks that feature that specific membership. Sometimes you just want to live a little, sometimes you just want to have a good time, and RV Life Trip Wizard knows that. Open up the research panel and under points of interest, scroll down. Once you zoom into a city that you're interested in, here's an example, nightclubs. When I push nightclubs, the map will display a little cocktail glass. And here you can find a place to have a drink. If you're looking for a museum, same thing. It shows a little building where you can click on and get an idea. And of course, there's restaurants. The greatest part about this whole thing is by researching, you can find new and exciting things to do, new and exciting places to eat. And these memories will last a lifetime. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you got some value out of it. And if you did, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. What do you think about these tips? Are there any tips or tricks that you'd like to share? Drop them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.